here we are. We have made it to the Bear Jackson auction. He's revving his Super Snake over there, but you know what? Let's head inside. Is that a demon? Mustang versus Challenger right there. Let's go ahead and go inside because I think a new C8R is going down near the auction block. And I'm very excited to see what it gets because we've got number 8 C8R, and I think one going down is like number 192. I'm going to be selling my car, so it's going to be really, really interesting to find out how much they're going for. So let's head inside.
1103's next, the 2022 Corvette Stingray Convertible, IMSA GTLM Championship Edition. Built to celebrate Corvette's racing success, this championship edition is powered by the 6.2-liter V8 made into an automatic transmission.
And 50, 75, and 100. 75 and 100,000. 100. Now 25. 25 and now 200. 200, now 210. Now 220. Now 20. 30. 230. 230. 530. 60. 60. Now 5. 70. 270. 270. 5. Now 80. I'm at 280. 80. Now 5. 290 down now here. Now 300. Down 3. 300,000. 310. Put your hands together, Scottsdale. 300 down 10. Hammers high. 300 down 10. 300 high. Sold it. $300,000.
This convertible resto mod underwent a body off restoration, powered by a GM LS1 all aluminum 5.7-liter V8 fuel injected engine and the 4-speed automatic transmission.
Alrighty, here we have the entire lineup of the sold cars. There's the C8R down there. This is it, a C8R edition, just like my car, basically number 190, and it's going for this much money, $300,000? That's insane. It honestly is insane. If you're looking at it, this is a $100,000 vehicle straight from the factory, and the owner has just made $200,000 on their C8R edition. It's not even a low chassis or VIN number. It's a high number C8R, which is even crazier if you ask me. It is a convertible, so it is pretty much max spec, I would say. You know, I love this gray, this hypersonic gray. That price tag, though, again, has blown my mind. Check this out. So to my left, we have another Corvette. This is a 1LT base model Corvette it's looking like, and let's see how much money this has gone for. It does have the Stingray R package, which is a graphics package, just like getting like stripes mounted onto your Corvette. That is insane. $155,000 for a base model 1LT, essentially a $60,000 variant of the Corvette, the lowest one you can get right now. But then add on the Stingray R edition graphics, which are like the normal stripes you can opt for a Corvette. And this owner has made $155,000. That means that normal Stingrays with these graphics are going for substantially more money than no Z51, nothing, right? Standard seats. However, it has these special graphics that are only a couple $1,000s, but it went for $55,000 more. It actually says C8R on the wing. What? It's modded too. Another C8. This one went for $170,000. I'm in shock. This is not even a C8R edition. These Stingray R's are not limited like a C8R. It's not even a different car. It's just graphics. But they're going for that much money. That means this owner has also made over $100,000. I guess if you're a C8 owner, now is the time to sell. They're going for more money than GT500 carbon fiber track packs. with painted over-the-top stripes and carbon fiber wheels and a carbon fiber rear spoiler. Basically, this C8R, that is not even a low chassis number, is going for more money than a 458 Italia Ferrari. Look at this. This Ferrari only went for $200K. Check this out. Here we have more Corvettes in this 10, and very interesting. Here's a C8 Corvette 1LT, and you've got to see how much somebody paid for a 1LT 2020 model year base model Corvette. You ready for this? $99,000. So the owner of this car has probably just made anywhere between $30,000 to $40,000 off a non-Z51, is it? A non-Z51 base model Corvette. So I guess this is the time to be alive, to flip Corvettes, right? Just buy them at the cheap, get the low spec one and make $30,000, $40,000 on it. Because to the collector's eye, people here at Bear Jackson, as long as they see it's a C8, they'll go for it. But wait a second, all of these are non-Z51s. Every single one of these has no wing. Look at this. So is this like a new fad that's going out online? Only one Z51 right here? Are people buying these C8 Corvettes just to flip them here at Bear Jackson? These two haven't sold yet, but the C8R actually sold for $300,000. We've got number 8 C8R, 0008. What would that be worth at an event like this? I can basically buy 2 Z06s if I sold the C8R here. That's a pretty good idea, isn't it? Making $300,000 on the C8R. Hey, you know what? Whoever was bidding up against the other guy or girl, whoever was buying the $300,000 C8R, if you want to get VIN number 10 in chassis number 0008, hit me up. Contact information is in the description down below. I'll happily give you a phenomenal deal compared to that. I'm serious. Like, that's genius if you ask me. For all you Corvette fans on the channel, yeah, I guess the best car to buy right now that's going to hold its value and not go down, you could sell for more, is going to be the C8 Corvette. Please let me know, what do you think in the comment section down below about that price that the new C8 is going for? And what are your thoughts? Should we go for it, try to sell it for at an auction for that much money? I think I can hold a reserve on it for like right around what I paid for it to be on the safe side, right? But it's a really cool idea. And also, if you own a C8 Corvette C8R edition, let me know, what do you think? Are you gonna possibly sell yours? This video might make like a mass influx of C8Rs go for sale online. I don't know. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button to help me out. Also subscribe for much more great videos coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.